Hello, today I'm going to show you what is to do if you're lost or you get stolen of your Apple iPhone Air. The iPhone Air is on the right side, as you can see, and a thief is stolen that from your pocket or something else, or you lost it anywhere and you cannot find it. What's going on if you are remotely on the left side now available? So this is an other device of you. Maybe the same you can make over the internet. You go on a site or an Apple site on your browser, and there it is. Find my network. So that means another device or in the internet browser. Choose your Apple account, the same Apple account which the iPhone Air is used or logged into. Then we choose devices, not items, devices. And here we can find our iPhone Air. If we choose the iPhone Air, first, of course, we will see where it is, so the location. We can then play a sound on it. You can see this plays a sound now, right now. We can hear it. Yes. So then, of course, we can make the next thing. We can make an navigation through it, and we have a lost phone mode. Then we can send a notification and we can erase all data from it. So first step is, of course, we should make the lost mode. Here, this is the lost mode. We can lock it. As soon as the device is online, the lost mode will lock or down to certain features, and it protects. The payment cards and other services will be suspended as a safety precaution, and it shows contact information. We can leave a number to display for the person who finds this iPhone. Let's continue this. We set a passcode. So let's set a passcode for that if you do not have already one, okay? So here we are. We enter. So here we are. And now this iPhone has been lost. Please call me. Or you can choose another text. Now we see notify when found. Information. Receive an email update. Activate. Now what's going on the other side? This is now the right side. It will be lost immediately. Here you see. Lost phone information on the screen. This phone has been lost. Please call me. Okay, you see, it's possible to make the lost phone stuff and the notifications about the informations on the remotely. But if you cannot handle with this action, you cannot handle a solution of your problem. You go down and make erase, E-R-A-E. All content and settings will be erased when this iPhone connects to the internet. If the Find My network is enabled, we will still be able to locate this. Okay, let's perform this. Enter the phone number. Which phone number? Phone number you are going to show erase all stuff. So now you will see on the right side, this is performing in real time, as you can see. Now the phone will be erased, all data will be a clear, remove the system from it, remove your data from it, so nobody can use it anymore. This is the best thing of shut down everything. But of course, if this phone will be reboot and it will be going to the setup process, you will get an information if there is another Apple device nearly, because the other device of an Apple device, which is nearly, will give this lost phone on the right side and location information, and this information you can see in your Find My app on the internet, on the URL side, or on another Apple device as well. And then of course you can navigate to your iPhone and get it back. Or of course, the new owner cannot use the iPhone because it is locked. It will be the iCloud lock will be enabled right now, and there's only one possible thing to remove this if the new the thief, for example, gets your Apple ID, of course. Or of course, remotely you can make this by removing that. But you should do not perform this if there is an stolen iPhone in the hand of a thief. And then, of course, we are done with that. So easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me the positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.